We'll go back to you if any family members decide to speak, but right now I'm joined by legal expert Walter Hussey, who has been here to break down this sentencing decision as a defense attorney yourself, as someone who has been in the courtroom with many murder cases and conspiracy to commit murder. What is your take on this sentence of 20 years but 14 and a half in prison?
I think it's more than fair to Michelle Troconis, given the facts and circumstances, given the publicity that this case has generated, and given the fact that you have a family that's left empty. I think the judge really thought long and hard about the sentence, and I think it was reflected in his words, and I think, once again, it was more than fair.
And again, we talked about the discretion of anywhere from 1 to 50 years. 50 years would have been if you added up all those charges. And generally, that is not typically done. It would be more concurrent. So it's more the biggest charge, the conspiracy to commit murder, that could have been up to 20 years, which some might be saying, why didn't she get the max? Others might have been saying, why did she not get less? Because she's never had a previous conviction.
Yeah, well, I think that's what the judge was talking about. He kind of prefaced his remarks by saying he's not a party to it. He's not favoring one side over the other. It's tough being a judge. It really is. It's hard to make the rulings during the course of the case, and then the sentencing itself, he showed some courage, because he could have easily said 50 years, and then it probably would have placated most. But I think he considered Troconis' life and the fact that she's never been in trouble before. I think he's probably considered the facts and circumstances that led her to that point in her life, and I got to give him credit. I think it was more than fair.
You're a defense attorney. If you're a defense attorney for her, what are you thinking about that sentence?
Same thing I just said. It's more than fair.
More than fair. Okay. Walter Hussey, thank you for being with us. And of course, the judge saying that she is going to prison because she's not able to get out. He denied an appeal bond, so she will be going to prison today.
Yeah, she's paying a high price, no doubt about it.